everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I have a brown box kit because I'm featuring it this month. It is called the Daisy Days kit, and it's special because it's not cards. It is a 6x6 mini album, and it is adorable. So what it comes with, let's see if we can get it up a little higher to you. So it has an album, a whole bunch of sheets. I want to say more than 20 sheets for pages. Tons and tons of die cut shapes and messages. It has adhesives for you. And when you open this up, it has instructions so that you could literally copy a few pages. It gives you like 4 or 5 or 10, maybe 10 examples of a page. And then you are free to create on your own. So I just wanted to show you my little album. So I used their pages to start me out. And then I used the rest of the pieces to go on my way. So it's a very 6x6 albums are a fantastic way to start yourself into scrapbooking because the medium is so small. You just have room for 1 or 2 pictures, a little bit of decoration, a few words. Now mine don't have a lot of journaling places, so you could easily just add some letters, put a little strip of paper on top with a little explanation. Some of them have little pouches. That's a great place for journaling. Just throw a picture on the top. And there are several pouches in this kit. Now, I put photo placeholders in mine, so these are only kind of tacked down because I didn't have the photos that I wanted to use right now. 6x6 albums are also really great for like a single trip that you want to remember or a single event. Or they're also fun for just random pictures of a random year that you just don't want to forget. And you can make the album match. In this case, it's a lot of daisies because daisies are super cute. And then I used, there's a couple pages of these clear acetate. And so I kind of doubled it up so you can't see what's behind it, but it's really the same almost thing. And then you have another page that was completely hidden, and there's some journaling. There's also some journaling room here, things like that. And a lot of the pages come with lines. That's like instant journaling. But this was fun. There are so many, and I have so many die cut shapes left over. I could have made 10 more pages if I wanted to. And all you have to do to make 10 more pages is cut out a 6x6 paper, get some holes in it, and you can keep right on creating. Here's another one of those pockets that had a tag to go with it. But I did save all those extra die cuts that I had, and I put them in a very special place. And I cannot for the life of me find that very special place. So you'll just have to believe me that I have a ton of adorable, and the die cuts are so cute, and the die cuts match the various papers. So I kind of did my best to make the pages, these are kind of matching and these are kind of matching. They don't always match, but I kind of tried to. And but it was fun, easy, fast. I probably did this in 3 or 4 hours. So it's a great introduction into scrapbooking because it gives you a very bite-sized option, and it's so cute. So I hope that was helpful. Get your Daisy Days scrap kit while supplies last. They do sell out sometimes when they're super cute, and goodness sakes, this one was. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!